Kalbo ka na, tanga ka pa. Sila nga naintindihan nila eh.
Oo.
Naintindihan niya, di ba?
Hindi rin daw eh.
Tanga rin niya, di ba? Papakita ko lang sa inyo, isang maiksi lang. Naintindihan niyo yung rap ko. One, music please again. 1, 2, 3, 1. Come on, take it off, pop, pop, pop. Take it off, pop, 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 pop. Everybody tell me, yo! Naintindihan naman nila.
Yun pala yun!
Sasabay ba yan kung di ako naintindihan?
Ano ba kasi yun lang pala yun eh.
And anyway, mga kaibigan, welcome everybody. This is my first time in San Francisco, California. Yeah, this is my first time. And I think I love to stay here in California, right?
You want to stay?
I want to stay because a lot of people would say so far.
Really? That's true?
Yeah, excuse me. Hey, excuse me, sir. For how many years have you been living here in San Francisco, California? 10 years.
10 years, 10 years.
So, what did you hear?
Ano, bilis. Bilis.
Di mo na naman naintindihan?
Hindi, bilis na naman. Bilis mo magsalita kasi pare. Ulitin mo nga.
Sir.
Love you, Jose!
Love you too. Sir.
Ano?
Kaya nga binibilisan ko para hindi ako masalubsob eh.
Pinaulit ko lang eh.
Pag bumabagal na, nadadapa na ako. What do you work here? What your work? Your job?
Jose, palis na asawa ko!
What?
What is it again, sir? Oh! The reality technician!
What?